Well, hi, I'm Rod Stephens. I'm an instructor at Central Piedmont Community College, and I teach non-destructive examination technology. Non-destructive examination uses various test methods to test the integrity of components or finished parts without damaging the component or part. It's a rewarding career because you are actively helping save lives. You use your mind, you use your hands. It's endlessly fascinating, and it pays well. Job prospects for students who graduate from Central Piedmont with an associate in applied science and non-destructive examination technology are excellent. We currently boast in excess of a 90% job placement rate amongst graduates. Typically, they will have multiple job offers and they choose which one best fits their life situation. Today we saw an application of eddy current testing, which is a way of using electromagnetism to test for discontinuities in the part structure. The non-destructive examination technology program at Central Piedmont has been a life changer for myself and a number of my students. I am a graduate of this program and I am shocked at the return on investment. I had to pay out of pocket and I broke even in my first 2 months on my first job with zero experience. The education I received at Central Piedmont has completely changed the trajectory of my life. I believe that to the core of my being. I live the proof every day.